Hey, 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 hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, what's up? My name is Mimi, it's mighty incredible. For those of you who are new, show me, yes, little old me some love. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Hey, like, comment, share, and subscribe for my oldies but goodies. Y'all know I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. Hey, what's up, the incredible squad? Y'all already know why we are here today from the title. And we are going to make this fenugreek conditioner. That is absolutely right. And these fenugreek seeds are what I had used to make the fenugreek water. I know that y'all probably threw out y'all fenugreek seeds because y'all didn't know what else to make with these seeds, but it's okay. In today's video, y'all will make sure next time y'all make y'all fenugreek water that you will use these sprouted fenugreek seeds for a conditioner. So, I got these seeds from Amazon, and y'all, your girl is a Amazon affiliate. So, the link that I provided in the description bar for these seeds, if you guys click on it to purchase these fenugreek seeds, I will get a small commission, okay? But y'all already know all opinions are my own, and I always keep it 100 and honest, all right? So, moving on with this video, we are going to put these seeds in the blender. I'm putting these seeds in here. For those of you who like measurements, these are 2 tablespoons, excuse me, of sprouted fenugreek seeds, all right, that I made in a fenugreek water. And for those of you who didn't see my fenugreek water video, I will put a link in the cards, and I will also put the video in the description box below. Okay, now I'm gonna add some water. Here comes the water. I'm gonna put a little bit. This is like 1/8 cup of water. Probably put a little bit more. Okay. So let's get this stuff blending. Y'all, this is how it's looking so far, but I want to add a little bit more water, so I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of water, and that will bring us to about 3/4 cups of water that I put it in here, give or take. I know it's no more than a cup of water. All right, so I'm gonna blend this up a little bit more. Okay, y'all, this is the fenugreek conditioner, and I took it right out of the blender. I did not strain it or anything, and it's nice and thick. It looks similar to like a pudding. And I forgot to tell you guys the benefits of this fenugreek conditioner. This helps to encourage hair growth, strengthen the hair follicles, help prevent hair breakage, helps to keep the hair strands nice and strong. This fights against dandruff, and it also gives your hair a nice shine, and it conditions it. And there's so many other wonderful benefits that this fenugreek conditioner can do to your hair. And you guys can stop right here, or you could add some oils, and I'm going to add me some oils, but let me show you how this looks on my hand. Okay, it's nice and creamy. Yeah, I know we're gonna put that back in here because I need every little bit of this. Okay, y'all, so the first oil I'm going to add is this safflower seed oil. And this safflower seed oil encourages growth of longer, stronger, and thicker hair. So I'm going to pour a splash of that inside of this fenugreek conditioner. Just a splash. Okay. The next oil is grapeseed oil. Okay, and grapeseed oil aids to lock in moisture and prevent split ends, frizz, and brittle hair. I'm going to put a splash of this as well. Okay, and the next oil I will add is almond oil. Okay, and almond oil strengthens the hair, prevents breakage, and aids in regrowth of hair follicles. I'm going to put a splash of this as well. Okay, and the last oil I will add is sesame seed oil. Okay, and sesame seed oil stimulates hair growth by conditioning and nourishing the scalp. Put a splash of this as well. So I want to add some peanut oil. Alright, y'all, this is the last oil. I'm going to add this peanut oil right here. And this peanut oil reduces protein loss and adds moisture. Okay, and these oils should look familiar. I'm going to add a splash of this because I use these oils for my DIY pre-poo. And I will link the video to that as well. So, let's give this a little stir. Alright. Just stir this up. I should have put these oils in the blender, but I wanted you guys to see this fenugreek conditioner without these oils in it. I'm going to just mix this up really good. That's good enough for me. And this is how it looks, y'all. Okay. Let me put some on my hand so you can see. Alright, this is how it looks. Can y'all see? Holding my hand all crazy. Alright, that's a little better. Alright, y'all, so this is my simple DIY fenugreek conditioner, and you can add the oils, well, these oils or any oils of your choice. And let me know if you're going to try this fenugreek conditioner or not, and I will link all of the items that I use in the description box. Guys, let me know if you would like more DIY videos such as these. And I think that's about it, y'all. As always, love, peace, hugs, and kisses. Boo. Bye.